They get more oxygen underneath to where their gills are, so they do like, it's called counterbalance flow, but they do press up so that more oxygen will reach their gills. It's very clever.
Well, I've learned the 3 types of heather.
Totally awesome. Oh, that's too low.
So a particular highlight for me is to actually see that happen. So people coming along, not really ever having done anything like this before, and just watching that confidence grow. So I'm not going to name any names, but there are a couple of people in there that I think I would like to mention in dispatches at another time, not now on camera, but they've just really come on leaps and bounds, and it's just been a joy to watch it.
This is how tutors are born.